Hey everybody, I'm back here again with Ryan at Lumentek Electrical, and thanks for having me on the channel. Appreciate it. Yeah. And today we're going to be talking about the new thing that you just started up recently, which was a mechanical room makeover. I'm going to ask you some questions about that, and also you've updated your service warranty, and just have some questions about that. So let's get started with the mechanical room makeover. What is it, and how'd you come up with the idea?
The reason we came up with it is we had a lot of customers that were calling us to come in and do something, and at the same time there'd be a plumber or HVAC guy fixing the furnace, and the hot water tank would be on its way out. And it just seemed like a lot of these older houses would have all their mechanical room stuff start to fail around the same time. So what we decided to do is with a few different companies we work with quite often, to come up with like a package where we could basically come in, update everything in the mechanical room, take care of all those issues all at once, and they're all dealt with at the same time. Yeah. All the equipment has warranties, and the issues with furnace quitting, hot water tank leaking, all that kind of just go away.
Right.
And
So how does that work? That sounds like, I mean, that part of the house is one of the most expensive parts of the house. Like, what has people reception been like? It's
been good. We've done a few of them already, and I think no matter how you do it, there's going to be some inconvenience with your furnace being down for the day, your
Sure.
hot water, electrical being off, all that. So if we could just do it all in one day, most of the time we can be in and out before most of the family's back from school or work or whatever. And they come home to a new furnace.
Sure. So what are the advantages of doing this mechanical room makeover? Like what do they get out of it?
We offer financing with them now. So if we give the customers a choice if they want to do interest-free financing, or we can throw in a free air conditioner, their choice of a free air conditioner, Celebright lights for their house, water softener, whatever they decide they want, whatever suits their needs the best. We've got customers that are doing it because they're just tired of the ongoing issues, or simply just because they want to list the house and they don't want issues to come up on the home inspection. So they can list the house, know everything's brand new, and they don't have to think about it, and they can sell it with a brand new mechanical room.
Good, yeah. So tell me all of what that includes in your main package.
Basically heat, water, and electricity. So you get all the main things that you need for your house. Like you can't own a house in Alberta without heat. You can't.
Sure. So are we talking like they get a new panel, or is it a panel upgrade? Like what is that?
It really depends on what they need. Not every house will need a furnace or an electrical panel or a hot water tank, but we find most of the time that's what people need. Mm-hmm. So obviously we would come in, take a look, do a quote, and say the electrical panel is only 5 years old and doesn't need anything done with it, then we won't touch it. Like we can do a safety inspection on it, make sure there's no issues, and same the other way. So if the electrical panel needs to get done, but the furnace and hot water tank aren't too bad, the companies we work with will come in, service it, because it should be getting done annually, go through it, make sure there's nothing that will be coming up or needs to get done. If there is, let the homeowner know. If they want to go ahead with it, we can add it in. If they don't want to, then we'll need to.
Okay, so a little bit of coordination has to happen with these other trades, right?
Yeah.
Are they specific ones that you work with, or
yeah, we all kind of work together on a few projects. So we all kind of coordinate things with each other too, which is nice, because it's hard when customers will do this on their own. We don't know who's doing the heat or the hot water or whatever, so then we won't know what they're going to need. So then we'll usually get a call back like, oh, the furnace guy needs this run or needs that done or whatever. Mm-hmm. So
okay,
it's nice if it's all we communicate. We make sure there's no hiccups along the way. Nice.
So dealing with furnaces, hot water tanks, what if they want something like a tankless water heater or instant hot water?
Yeah, we can do that too. Okay. We have a basic package we can do, so you can get the most basic option that will get everything working and get you through an inspection, and then we can do a upgraded and give you a bunch of different options to choose from. So whatever fits your needs the best, you can go with.
Right. So the benefit is you've got one group of guys, one group of trades who's coming in, and they can kind of take care of anything in the mechanical room all at once, kind of thing. Is that the idea?
Yeah, and there's with a lot of the time, again, when homeowners do it themselves and they coordinate all the different trades separately, there's always some stuff that doesn't necessarily fall under electrical or HVAC or plumbing. It's kind of a gray area between all the trades. So it's nice when we all do it together, we know that that's going to get handled by whoever we talk to each other beforehand, make sure it's addressed before we get there, and then all of a sudden they're left with something that's not completed because they thought a different guy was going to take care of that.
Gotcha. So tell me about permits. Who's pulling the permits in this case?
We all pull our own. So I only pull the electrical permit, the HVAC guy does the furnace permit, and the plumber will get the hot water tank permit.
Okay. All right. So all kind of work together to make sure that the customer is happy at the end of the day.
Yeah, and it's the easiest possible way for them to do it. They just talk to us, and there's no other coordinating on their end. They don't have to schedule dates and times and stuff like that. It's all handled for them.
Very nice. Very nice. So let's talk about your service warranty. We were just having a discussion beforehand. Tell us about it.
So we've decided to go with a lifetime service guarantee, lifetime workmanship guarantee. So any work we do will guarantee for life. As long as you live in the home, it's covered. And the reason we're doing that is because we stand behind our work. We feel we do good work, and we don't need to do like a 1-year warranty and then it's not our problem anymore.
Yeah.
Parts, we will warranty the manufacturer's warranty. Obviously, we can't speak on behalf of the manufacturers, but for as far as the work goes, we'll make sure it's covered.
Right. So that does a couple of things. Gives people peace of mind, right?
Yeah.
That, okay, these guys must be serious, and I can feel confident hiring them. What other benefits for people getting work done? Now, is that for both commercial and residential? Is that for everybody?
Mostly it's been more of something we've talked about with residential, but there's no reason why we wouldn't offer it for commercial and industrial.
Right.
It does complicate things a bit with commercial industrial, just because people are generally a lot harder on their equipment. Like a lot of the time our service calls are because someone drove a forklift into something or ripped something off a wall. So it's kind of hard to warranty that because it's not really a failure on.
That's not your fault.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that part's kind of difficult, but for residential, in most cases, there's no reason why we couldn't warranty something.
Right. Yeah. Because if you do good work, then of course there should never be any problems with it.
Exactly.
It's only an actual physical mechanical failure that would, you'd need to, come in and do any work for. Right.
Yeah.
And that is covered. If it's not covered by the manufacturer, then they just have to pay to replace that piece, and it's a new work order, right?
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah. So, all right. So let's get back to the mechanical room makeover. What do people have to do to get started with you to get that mechanical room makeover?
You just have to give us a call. It's that easy. If you call us or email us or get in contact with us somehow, we will come out and do a free quote, let you know kind of what we would suggest, what you can do, what is available, and you can go from there.
And how long is the process? Like, let's say somebody wanted to get started with that today. Like, do you have to set up separate appointments between you, the plumber, the HVAC guy? Like, what is the process like?
It really depends on what they're going to do. So if you're doing like a direct replacement of everything, so you're taking a furnace out, putting a new furnace in, same size hot water tank, replace a panel, it's about a week and a half to 2 weeks based on everyone's schedule. And we can all come in the same day, have everything disconnected, reconnected in the same day. And
thanks so much, Ryan, for taking the time to talk to us and let us know the new things that are happening with Lumentek Electrical. If you guys are in need of an electrician or a plumber, HVAC guy, get a hold of Ryan and he can coordinate that for you. Again, one of the only electrical contractors in central Alberta who offers a lifetime workmanship guarantee. So give him a call, prove him on it. We'll talk to you later.